Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Well, I kind of already took it out of the box because I thought it was something else, but now I know what it is. So this is storage that I got from Saner Direct. Saner Direct did contact me and asked me to do a review on these items. So thank you to Saner Direct for sending me these items. So I got two storage containers. I don't know. Let's do the butterfly one first, because why not? So, yeah, when Saner Direct asked me to review more items for them and they gave me like the option for these storage, I was like, of course. Okay, so this is like really like colorful. It has the butterflies and flowers, which if you watched my channel, you do know that I do like my butterflies and my flowers. So I was just trying to figure out which was the top. Okay, so I think I was right. Yeah. Okay, so it does come with round labels. And it does look like it has one of the collapsible funnels. Yeah, it's a nice pink one. Ooh, I like the color. Okay. Oh, okay. And it comes with the straightener, which I also like to use to flatten my plastic on diamond paintings. And there's even more labels here. So these are the rectangle labels. So lots of labels with this one. And it comes with, let's see, okay. Looks like 3 pens with a squishy, and then the different multi-placers, and then a white boat, and then one of these blue boats that has the pen holder. You don't know what, well, I don't know if it'll hold the pen with the squishies in there, but it should hold the pen. See, if the squishy wasn't in there, that would go in there. So yeah. So, but you want to see the actual storage. So it is one of these zipper cases. This has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 by 6. So there's 60 bottles in this. And you can take the bottles out. Ooh, it's a nice tight fit in here. And then there's also a pocket here that you could go put in all these accessories if you wanted to. Be like, yeah, extra drills. And so yeah, 60 bottles. I do have multiple bottle containers, and I have noticed that these bigger bottles do come in like 2 sizes. So I don't know if you could tell, like this one is taller but a little bit skinnier, and then this one is shorter but it's a little wider. So this one looks like it's the shorter but wider, which is good because these thin ones kind of are too loose in these foam containers, while these shorter but wider ones do fit in there. So yeah. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, so on the site right now, this storage is on Amazon. So this is from Saner Direct, but you could buy the items on Amazon. So this item right now is $22.99. Saner Direct did also give me a 5% off promotional code. So it should be even cheaper than the $22.99 that I said. Well, as of today, which is June 9, and this will be posted tomorrow, June 10. So yeah. So yeah, there's the bottle system. I think, yeah. I do like the foam on this. I do like the fact that you could turn it upside down. Oops, you know, assuming that the lids were screwed on. The lids, yeah. So yeah, I think, what else can I say about this? But yeah, let's see. Let's just open the other one. It is, even though it is a zipper case, it's not exactly the same. This is going to be a little bit different. If I could find the opening. Okay, so I wonder, are these the same size? Yeah, they look like they're the same size before I open it. So So this container here is, okay, one of these. So it has the it's a combination of the Tic Tac containers and the bottles. Are they the same size bottles as the other one? Yeah, it looks like it. So they should be interchangeable. So there's 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. So there's 30 of this bottle and 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 times 5, 40 Tic Tac containers. So this one looks, ooh, these are like narrower, I think, so that you could fit the label onto this, compared to these labels that came with the other one. See, these are narrower. Would these labels fit? I think it will, because I think most of my labels are about that size. So it comes with the circle labels and some of these narrower labels, and it comes with a different, where is the opening? Okay. It comes with a different tray than the other one. Okay. And so it does come with more of these labels. So, and it comes with the plastic tweezers, and then a round boat, and then, ooh, a MOSFET tray. So it's like a different white tray than the other ones. I do like the MOSFET trays. They are just slightly wider than the normal tray. I don't know if you can tell. They are slightly wider. And it comes with this big tray that has one of these removable gates. So this big tray is, okay, so the common trays you probably could find is the big white tray. And then this is bigger than the big white tray. So I don't know, do I even have, I think I might have one of these. But yeah, it is a bigger one. So if you like to do the multi-placing, you have a nice big tray here. So sometimes you don't even have to buy like trays separately. They will come eventually to you if you just buy enough other accessories. Okay, so this one is also $22.99, and there will also be a 5% off. They gave, Saner Direct gave me a 5% off promotional link. So if you click the link, the 5% off should be added automatically. I did test it out and I did see it does take 5% off. So now, since I don't actually have any of these Tic Tac containers, I'm actually curious, like, how big is this? Compared to this, they're about the same height. I'm guessing they're gonna, let's do centimeters, since it's about 2.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So, oh, and then wide is about 1 centimeter. So I do figure these are going to hold less than these bottles, just because there are 40 of these and there's 30 of these, and I don't know if they're, ooh, I wonder, just because I'm curious. Well, is the foam insert the same size? Will I be able to, oh, there's some like fluff there. Will I be able to move this and put it into here, and vice versa? Yep, it does look like they're the same size. I'm gonna switch them back because I don't know why. You know, in case, oh, the question is, can I turn this upside down without the stuff falling out? Ooh, so I do like that. It's a nice tight fit. So you're not going to have the bottles falling down. So I am curious about the Tic Tac containers because I haven't used them before. So it does look like I think they're slightly smaller than Tic Tacs. The Tic Tac containers, I feel like Tic Tac containers are bigger than this. So I know I've seen people take the lid off. Oh, okay, so the lid is relative. I was like, how do I do this? The lid is relatively easy to take off if you open the lid. I'm going to, or the little flappy thing, I'm going to try a different one just to make sure that's not a fluke. Okay, so I was kind of concerned that this would be really hard to fill. So let's try filling it up. I do have I do have some drills here. I'm gonna put some tray down here just to make sure, you know, if bad things happen. So, I don't know, wait, I'm probably overfilling it. I won't be able to put this in. Okay, so if you do put the drills in there, you can't just fill it up all the way to the top because this top thing is gonna need some space. So yeah, first time using these, so learning curve there. Oops. So, and then I guess if you really wanted to, you could, would I be able to fill this in from here? How easy is that? Oh, that's not that easy. So yeah, the Tic Tac containers, it is a tiny bit hard to fill up, but they are economical in size. Like, it's a really small container. So like this, you could have 40 of them in the same amount of space as this. So yeah, and I think I pretty much filled that up. So it doesn't hold as many as these bottles, but if you have like a lot of colors with only a little bit, these might be good. And plus, what I kind of liked about this storage container here is you could kit up 2 different diamond paintings at the same time and not get them mixed up, because you're just be like, okay, you're gonna, because like sometimes these ones you can kit up 2, but then you might forget which one you're trying to get from because they're the same bottle. But this one, they are 2 different types of containers, so you could kit up one diamond painting, and in the other put a different diamond painting, and you won't get them mixed up. So I'm gonna ponder, like, yeah, I mean, I don't think you can do the, I'm like a big fan of like poking a pen in and getting a drill. So you can, if you use one of these small ones. See, I was able to pick up a drill here. Let me see if I have, okay. So yeah, the opening is big enough, as long as you don't have to go all the way down, so that you could do the like diamond paint directly from the container, which I like doing lots of times. And yeah, the clasps seem pretty good. Let me try a couple of them and see if the clasp, yeah, the clasp is pretty claspy, and it's relatively easy to put the stuff in there. Is the lid gonna fall off if I put it upside down? I'm just testing out the Tic Tac containers more just because I don't have them. But yeah, other than it being a little difficult to put in here, but I think if you have a tray to do it, it should be fine. And you just have to remember not to fill it up all the way to the top. Otherwise, it would be hard to put the lid back on. Okay, I'm just trying to see how easy it is to remove the lid, because I don't want to like accidentally. So yeah, no, I think it's a nice, secure thing. So yeah, I will kit something up soon-ish with this container, just because I want to try out the Tic Tac containers. But yeah, so thank you again to Saner Direct for sending me these items. I will leave all the links below, and there is a 5% off promotional code embedded into the link. And Saner Direct would like me to tell you that if you do purchase these items, please leave a review on Amazon. And yeah, so that's all I have for today. Thank you again to Saner Direct for sending me these items. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!